All right, so for question 24, what we're going to do is we're going to solve this equation for x using the rules of exponents that we've worked with some time ago when we worked with those big packets. So I just rewrote that same equation 3 times because I want to show you 2 different ways of getting to x. So what we can see here is that the base of each is different. We have a 4 and we have a 16. So we need to make sure we convert the equation so that each the left side and the right side have the same base, because then we want to drop the base and just create a new equation with just the exponents. So I'm going to pick here base 4. So there's nothing I can do with the left side of the equation, but I'm going to rewrite 16 using just base 4. So I know that 4 times 4 is 16. So I'm going to rewrite it as 4 squared. But notice that 16 is raised to the x power. So I still have to include that. Then using rules of exponents, power of a power rule, namely, we would multiply the exponents to simplify the right side of that equation. So 2 times x is 2x. Notice the bases are the same. I can drop the bases and create an equation with just the exponents. So I have 4 is equal to 2x, and that's going to give me an x equal to 2 as the solution. For method 2, so ideally you just want to manipulate as little as you can, but some of you might come up with a different base, so such as, let's say, 2, right? We want to convert each of them to base 2. So 4 can be rewritten as 2 squared, but you still have to raise that 4, right? That value of 4 to the 4th power. Now 16 would be equivalent to 2 raised to the 4th power, and that 16 is still raised to the x. We're going to use rules of exponents, namely power of a power to multiply the exponents to get 2 times 4 to get 8, and 4 times x to get 4x. Bases are the same. We're going to drop the bases, and we're going to set an equation with just the exponents, dividing each side by 4. We'll get x is equal to 2. Those are identical equations. We should get identical answers. So it is up to you which method you're going to get there. As long as you're going to make the base to be the same, you will be in the good spot. All right, so that would be all. Hopefully you've read all of the instructions to the assignment that you're going to have. Please make sure you give and provide valuable feedback to the explainers, and let's have fun with this. Yay, be great.